Okay, so now to do a little bit more fancy. So I've got my OneNote on the left and I've got my PDF on the right, and I do want the PDF open in this case. So what I do is I have a blank page here, and then I use screen clip, and I'm going to screen clip the instructions. There we go. And that creates an image, and I paste it into my OneNote. Let me just clear this up here. And I right click and set the picture as background. So the instructions are now on the page for the kid. Then I do the same Windows Shift S, that same screen clip, and I don't care how you screen clip. There's lots of ways to screen clip. I just like using the Windows Shift S. And then I paste in that one question. And you might notice me moving around. There's a text box here. I'm just going to get rid of it. There we go. Oop, I got rid of that. No problem. Back in again. There we go. So that's again another picture, a screen clip of the question. And I might want to screen clip it so that I could maybe, put in a question number, because notice that these questions don't have question numbers, and so now I can write a 1 there. I'm not using my pen, so it looks really crappy. I'm using my mouse. So there's a 1 in front of it now, and so I've added that. And maybe I want to add a picture of a knight as well. So I just grab a knight, and who cares about copyright, right? Of course, you should care about copyright. There's lots of ways to make sure you're getting copyright. And I'm going to do the same screen clip and screen clip my knight, and I'm just going to paste that in there. And oops, get rid of that marker there. And so now I've got 2 pictures, and they're still movable pictures right now. And obviously we don't want that with the kids, so once I resize my knight here, I'm going to set my knight to the background, and I'm going to set the question to the background. There we go. So that's now ready to go. And now I go back to my PDF and I Windows snip the next question. And you might say, well, geez, this might take a while. Well, it only takes a while, I mean, maybe an extra minute or 2 on a page. It looks nicer. It's ready for your kids in a better way. And as a teacher, you can rearrange things so that they make sense to the kid. So for example, this picture of the mountain on the source PDF, it's in the wrong place. It's not next to the question that it's going to be helpful for. So doing this and then setting it as background, it's already done, really lets you design the structure in a way that works more better for your kids. Takes a little bit longer, but you end up with a better result. And now that it's digital, you can reuse it from year to year to year. And so now while you've got it done, you go to the class notebook and you distribute it out. Every kid gets their copy. You can go back and review it. If you want to use Team's assignment, you can assess it. But yeah, using this Windows Shift S or whatever screen clipper you have to clip out the questions, paste it into the OneNote, right click and set picture as background. Now you get your own worksheet that you can design from a source PDF that you have access to. So that's another option. It's up to you whether you want to take it to that level. Sometimes I'm lazy. Sometimes I'm just in a hurry and I'll just dump the whole PDF in and hope for the best. Most times I will take that extra minute or 2, do the Windows Shift S screen clip, and make it my own. Okay? Hopefully that's helpful.